Showers this evening, then mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wednesday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Northwest winds around 5 miles per hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it up a little bit.
Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. Friday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Saturday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 20%. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows in the upper 50s. Monday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-70s. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 20%. These are the 8 p.m. detailed observations across the Selma listening area on Tuesday, October 21st. At Selma, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 70 degrees, with a dew point of 70 degrees. The relative humidity was 100%. The wind was northwest, at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.02 inches and rising. At Demopolis, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 65 degrees, with a dew point of 65 degrees. The relative humidity was 100%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 30.04 inches and steady. The report from Prattville was not available. At Montgomery, it was cloudy. The temperature was 73 degrees, with a dew point of 64 degrees. The relative humidity was 73%. The wind was northwest, at 12 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.01 inches and rising. Now here are additional observations from across the listening area. At Tuscaloosa, fog was reported with a temperature of 59. At the Shelby County Airport, it was clear with a temperature of 63. At Greenville, it was cloudy with a temperature of 74. At Maxwell Air Force Base, the weather conditions were not available. And now, here are some observations from around the region. At Birmingham, it was clear with a temperature of 61. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 63 at Meridian, Mississippi, 68 at Evergreen, and 71 at Auburn. At Troy, it was cloudy with a temperature of 68. The current time is 8:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for the Selma listening area.
There we go.
Tonight, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers this evening, then mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Selma. Okay.